Hi friends, welcome back to Tasty Curry Heaven. Today we will be making this delicious chicken 65, also called Hyderabadi chicken. For this recipe, I will be using 500 grams of boneless chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces. We will first begin with marination. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then add 1/3 cup of yogurt or curd, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of garam masala. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic and chili paste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of red color, this is optional, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, finely cut curry leaves, 1 egg. Now mix all of these ingredients together and marinate it for 30 minutes. It has been 30 minutes and now we are ready to fry our marinated chicken pieces. Check the oil by dropping a piece of batter, and when the batter rises to the surface, it means our oil is ready. There we go, our oil is ready to fry. Now place pieces of chicken into the oil one by one, separated from each other, making sure that they don't stick to each other. This will ensure that all of our chicken pieces are cooked nicely and evenly and crispy from the outside but soft on the inside. Each batch of chicken will take about 15 minutes to fry completely and nicely. Make sure to turn them around after 8 minutes so that we can fry the other side as well. Once they are nicely done, after 15 minutes, we will go ahead and place them on a paper towel or absorbent paper. Now our chicken is nicely fried. We will go into the next step, which is called tempering. For this, we will heat a pan on a medium-high flame and add oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds to the oil. To this, now we will add curry leaves, then add about 8 to 10 green chilies and mix everything together. Then we will lower the flame and add the fried chicken to the pan. Simultaneously mix all the ingredients of the pan along with the chicken slowly so that the chicken will absorb all the flavors from the pan. Keep mixing the chicken for 5 more minutes while it is simultaneously cooking. Our delicious chicken 65 is now ready to serve and enjoy. It is usually eaten as an appetizer and it makes for a delicious appetizer that is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. This recipe turned out absolutely delicious. You definitely should give it a try. For more delicious recipes just like this every week, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell. It is absolutely free. Thank you for watching. Until next time, get spiced and thrive.